Yeah, then Lucas also makes the burgers that we have for that night.
The bread rolls.
What did I say?
Burgers.
Oh, bread rolls. Oops.
Yeah. The Neil makes the burgers. I'll do the chicken fillet though.
Yeah.
Hello and welcome to One Step at a Time Farmstead. Join our family on our journey as we build a like-minded community while living life on our terms in accordance with our beliefs, our convictions, our desires, and above all, our faith in God and our God-given calling.
We promote a self-sufficient, self-sustaining lifestyle, especially with regard to fresh produce and fresh meat and the preservation thereof.
It is our objective to prove that this self-sufficient, sustainable, healthy, happy, and fulfilling lifestyle is possible, even in an urban setting, while adhering to various laws, rules, and regulations of our government.
Our ultimate vision and goal are to obtain and establish functional and profitable farm enterprises where we produce wholesome foods grown and raised according to our conviction in the way that God intended. In other words, organic, natural, chemical-free.
Furthermore, it is our aim to teach and train in the various principles of self-sufficiency, self-reliance, and food security. We foresee hosting, supporting, and sponsoring masterclass training workshops in accordance to our call to the ministry of God.
With your support, we know we can achieve these goals.
Welcome back to the second video of the series from our kitchen on our monthly meal planning and preparation. And tonight's title is
meal plan. What's cooking?
Yeah, so Daniel will just quickly run through our dinner meal plans for the month, or weekly, daily. Yeah.
Okay, so Mondays we've decided we'll have spicy chicken fillet with roasted vegetables.
That is actually one of the recipes that I stole from from a company's menu or meal plan, and it's just because everybody in the house loves it.
Yeah, that was great. Okay, so spicy chicken will have chilies, am I right?
Yeah,
Which obviously increases your
metabolism and core body temperature, I believe, as well.
Yeah. And then obviously roasted vegetables in the oven, spice, salt, pepper, whichever.
Seasoned.
That's the way.
Yeah, sorry for the Americans. Spiced means seasoned,
Yeah.
and chilies is hot peppers.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Okay, yeah.
So they will be seasoned. Tuesday, we've got our classic spaghetti bolognese dish.
Which is a family favorite,
And
comfort food for everybody.
my daughter's responsibility of making it because she's the pasta expert.
Yes.
With the spaghetti bolognese, we also use our own pasta sauce, which actually incorporates a lot of veggies
And herbs.
and herbs. I'm not sure if my kids know about all of them, but it's good because they eat it. So,
They love it.
yeah.
Yeah, basically tomatoes, onion, garlic, leeks, celery, cilantro, rosemary, thyme, oregano. Oh, and a lot of peppers, bell peppers, sweet peppers. Yeah. What am I missing? I'm missing something. But there is a recipe in one of the previous videos where we also did our monthly meal preparation.
Yeah.
I think,
We'll
we'll just
link the video.
link the video, and in this video, in the video where we actually prepare this meal, you will see how we use it.
Yeah.
And maybe I'll make some more pasta sauce. The only thing is, when we went to our fresh produce market, there weren't any tomatoes available, and mine is starting to come in
Now,
from the garden, so I didn't really want to buy bulk. But at this moment, I don't have enough to make a whole batch. And the peppers are also coming in. So, yeah, hopefully by the time that we prepare that meal, we'll maybe prepare the pasta sauce from scratch as well. Just a bit more detailed.
yeah.
Okay, sorry.
No? Okay. Okay, so Wednesday is steak and roasted vegetables again.
Also stolen from a certain company's meal plan, but with our own twist to it. We prepare the steak like we as a family enjoy it, which is basically our fillet in a skillet, which is also one of the previous videos. We'll put a link.
Thursday will be a variation between chicken a la king and chicken Alfredo pasta.
Yeah, which is the new speciality. Perfect if you ever want the best chicken Alfredo pasta, she'll be the person to speak to. I think there's also a video of that where you prepare that. Could be, just check the playlist.
Yeah. And that there's also veggies, chicken a la king.
Cream, some healthy fats.
Yeah, creams. But the family eats it, so
Also,
another way of tricking the kids into eating veggies.
yeah, and also go-to comfort food for us as a whole family.
Yeah. Oh, Friday is our easy chicken or beef wraps.
Fajitas, enchiladas, Tex-Mex even. Okay. Yeah, that is also one of the family favorites. Last month we didn't do that at all, and it was missed.
It was sad.
But it's also, this is with healthy choices as well, with, our proteins as well as our vegetables wrapped and prepared in the fajitas that I make from scratch as well.
Yeah. It's also a healthy alternative than purchasing those ready-made in the shops.
Fresh, nothing beats fresh.
There you go. Okay, Saturday is all-time favorite, I think, for quite a lot of people. Saturdays is our burger day. So we'll be alternating again between chicken or beef.
And sloppy joes.
And sloppy joes, yes. There as well, we do our own beef patties. They're not store-bought. Chicken fillets. And yeah, then Lucas also makes the burgers that we have for that night.
The bread rolls.
What did I say?
Burgers.
Oh, bread rolls. Oops.
Yeah. The meal makes the burgers. I'll do the chicken fillet though.
Yeah.
And then I'll make the bread rolls as well.
And then Sunday is pork chops with roasted vegetables and rice. No, we're not cutting the fat off of the pork chops. That just doesn't work for us.
That's the best part.
I know. Yeah, then roasted vegetables, the rice. We've moved away from plain white rice. We've now moved to basmati rice. Yes, it is a little bit more expensive than your plain white rice, but a little bit goes a long way, and it is a lot more healthier. We've also decided we're going to try brown rice.
Or wild rice.
Okay. Not sure how my kids are going to take to that yet, but we'll find out and keep you updated on that.
Yeah. And again, as you can see in the menu, basically every second day we do include carbs. So we're not moving away from carbs, but we are reducing our carb intake. The way I grew up, it's a big plate of rice with, a bit of mince or meat or whatever on top. No, it's just having a reasonable portion of your carbs with the rest of your plate in balance. Yeah, for your diet. So we're not moving away from carbs. We still have it every second day, just to still those carb cravings that we will be going through until our bodies adjusted to the new menu lifestyle as well. From those meals and things, the flatbreads or fajitas and the bread rolls or the pasta sauce or whatever, we will link that in the video if you want to take a look at it. But for now, this brings us to the end of the second video. Quick video.
Yeah.
But just to show you our meal plan, and maybe you can get some ideas from us to create your own, and you are also welcome to share with us your meal plans that your family enjoys and choices that you've made to create a more healthier alternative to some of your comfort foods. And you can always leave that in the comments. I hope that you guys find value in this video, and we will certainly find value in you sharing your opinions with us, or your what's tips tips and inputs with us as well. Okay, so God bless you. We appreciate you and love you. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.